Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we have solved a interesting math olympiad question. This square root math problem, it will be square root b plus square root negative v is equal to 12. We'll find out what is the value of v in this math olympiad question. How to solve this interesting math problem. So I solved this question easy method. Our math solution. Here square root b, I take our question, square root negative v is equal to 12. Now at this moment you can see easily here square root v and it is 12. Then if I move on this below in this side, it will be negative square root minus v. Now at this moment I use both side whole square. I use both side square. Then at this moment you can say here square root is cancelled. We'll find out it will be b is equal to, we know that a minus b whole to the power 2, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then it will be, according to this formula, it will be 12 square minus 2ab, b is minus square root minus 12 plus v square, I mean minus 12b whole to the power 2. Then here v is equal to 12 power 2, it will be 144 minus, then 2 times 12 it will be 24, and square root minus b, and here is plus, but this square root is cancelled. We'll find out it will be negative v. Then here v is equal to 144 minus 24 square root negative v, then plus minus it will be minus b. Now I just move on this b in this side, it will be b plus b is equal to, here is 144 minus 24 square root negative b. I solve this question step by step. Now at this moment b plus b it will be 2b, and here is 2 is common, so 144 divided 2 it will be 72, and 24 divided 2 it will be 12. Then here is square root minus b. Now at this moment if I divide both sides by 2, this to cancel out, we'll find out it will be b is equal to 72 minus 12 square root minus b. Now at this moment I move on this 72 in this side, it will be negative, so v minus 72 is equal to minus 12 square root minus b. Now I use both side whole square, so b minus 72 whole to the power 2 minus 12 square root minus b whole to the power 2. Now at this moment a minus b whole square, I apply this formula again, so it will be a square minus 2av plus v square is equal to, then minus 12 whole square, so it will be minus 12 whole square, it will be 144, we know that. Then if I take square root negative v whole square, so square root is cancelled, we'll find out it will be minus v. Now here v square minus 144, 2 times 72 it will be 144, and here is b plus 72 square, then it is also minus, this is negative, this is positive, plus minus it will be minus 144b. Now this cancel out, because of that both are same below. Now here b square plus 72 whole to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now at this moment here v square is equal to, if I move on this below in this side, it will be minus 72 power is 2. Then I use both sides square root. Then at this moment you can say square root is cancelled, we'll find out it will be b, and here square root 72 power is 2, and here is negative 1 times negative 1. Then it will be plus minus is cancel, square root is cancel. We'll find out here is plus minus, square root plus minus is cancel. We'll find out here 72, and is square root in -1, it will be I. So we'll find out our final answer B is equal to plus minus 72I. It is a complex number. This is complex solution. We will find out here is a imaginary number. Here is no real solution. Here is both is complex number. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.